Rotate to find the unlock mark at the back of the machine. Push the lever upward to unlock position. Rotate the machine until the triangle mark aligns with the hollow circle. Detach the connector from the machine. Hold push to open the lid. Prepare 3 new batteries and insert them in the correct direction. Close the lid. Align the connector with arrow mark on the machine body. Rotate the machine until the triangle symbol aligns with the solid circle. The unlock lever will automatically spring back, locking the connector. Thanks for watching.